The shoe shop is alive with the energy of families preparing for the school year. Mia's face lights up as she slips on new school shoes, her excitement filling the air. Across the aisle, Hussain pauses, his eyes drawn to a vibrant red pair, a silent longing in his gaze. He lingers, admiration etched on his face, yet remains silent, a subtle acknowledgement of his family's financial reality. The unspoken sacrifice hangs heavy in the air, a poignant contrast to the vibrant shoes that capture his attention. In the hushed stillness of her room, Mirha sits a splash of color against the quiet night, with her piggy bank as she prepares for a secret. With a gentle tilt, she releases her savings, a small avalanche of coins spilling onto the bedspread, each one a promise. Her brow furrows in concentration as she begins to count, each coin carefully placed into neat stacks. A silent ritual. As the last coin finds its place, a soft smile graces her lips, a light of anticipation flickering in her eyes. With her hands full of treasure, her eyes begin to sparkle with the vision of her surprise. A secret joy unfolding. In the quiet of her room, Mirha's heart swells with the joy of giving her surprise, now a tangible dream. Bathed in morning light, Hussain is stunned as his father presents him with a gift. His hands trembling, Hussain tears into the wrapping, his anticipation building with each rip. A gasp escapes his lips as he lifts the lid, revealing the longed-for red shoes nestled inside. "Happy, thank you!" Hussain exclaims, his face radiant with pure, unadulterated joy. He embraces Mirha tightly, overwhelmed with gratitude and happiness. From the doorway, the parents watch, tears brimming in their eyes, deeply moved by the selfless display of love.
If you like this video, then like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon button for more interesting videos.